What's happening in Gator Pit on this June 8th? 3 Gator Pit entertainers all heading to Amarillo, Texas on a big flatbed, as you can see. That driver's heading from here all the way up to Oregon, he said. And he delivers pits for us. Let's see what else we got. Got a custom 2448 pellet smoker right there, loaded up. We've got several of them in here. Rich's Edition, the Backyard Classic Chef, gas grill, and another meat slinger pellet right there. Let's see what else we got going on. And of course, we're building an entertainer right there for a chef up in the Dallas area. We got a party edition going on right here. It's gonna get the golf cart kit. There's those badass golf cart wheels that are gonna go on it. And we got a whole line of gators right here. Chicken cooker, Backyard Classic, a party gator, and that's that pellet 2448 I showed you a while ago. All these are lined up waiting to go out. And oh, we got another one right here. That's a complete custom gas grill and pellet cooker all in one. Yep, you won't see that nowhere. And we got a meat slinger being built right there. And we got a Rich's Edition right there. That's going to Oregon. We're shipping that out this week to Oregon. And gas grill there. And we got another meat slinger right here. That's the hybrid with the offset firebox. Yeah, we got them going everywhere, guys. Got them going everywhere. That's a hybrid too. It's gonna have the pellet and the firebox on it. So that's Gator Pit on a typical weekday. This being June 8th. I'm Ritch Robin. See ya.